Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super different than anything I've ever done and probably something you don't expect me to post because I've never done a video like this. Today's video is going to be a little declutter with me. I know, I'm not a big cleaner, not a big declutterer. Today we're doing it though. Spring has officially sprung. It is the end of March. I need to spring clean, and by spring clean, I mean I need to get rid of so much stuff. As you can see, I have like so many clothes, it's not even funny, and I need to go through them. So I thought, what better way and what more fun of a way to do that than to make a video of it. If you guys are looking for professional little decluttering spring cleaning video, this is not that video. I am not that professional. We're gonna go through my closet and get rid of clothes. We're gonna like reorganize it for the springtime because these are all my winter clothes, so I'm gonna like switch it around for the springtime. We're gonna clean my room a little bit for spring. Maybe clean my makeup brushes. Like, we're just gonna start cleaning some stuff. We're just gonna roll with it. We're gonna make a little vlog out of it. Okay, so I want to give you guys a little before of my closet. So this is, I have a top rack. This has all of my winter stuff. So like, as you can see, like really chunky sweaters, a bunch of cardigans, just like really chunky stuff. For the winter, I have my pants down here, some t-shirts right here, some tank tops right here. This is like a huge mess. It's all of my winter boots, which I honestly need to go through also. So here's a bunch of my winter shoes. And then back here, I keep my pillows and like a bunch of other stuff that we need to go through back there. And then back here, I have some winter coats and then workout clothes and the rest of my summer stuff. Up here's a mess, but we're probably not gonna, actually, maybe we'll fix this a little bit. But this is just like a general overview of my closet. If you guys can see, I think it's like pretty tiny for a closet, but yeah, this is what I kind of got going on. It probably wouldn't be so tiny if I didn't have so many clothes. The first thing I want to do is just go through all my clothes and pretty much just purge as much as I can. I really want to get rid of some stuff. I tried to do this a couple of vlogs. Actually, it was like probably a couple months back. I tried to go through and get rid of some stuff and it just didn't happen. Like, I just didn't get rid of that much stuff, but I really want to get rid of some stuff because I just don't wear a lot of my stuff anymore and I need to just get rid of it if I don't wear it. We're just going to get rid of so much stuff. I'm just going to go through, pick out the stuff I want to get rid of. Let's montage this up. Okay. That was rough. I have quite the pile of clothes. This is currently the pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of, like for sure. These shoes are gonna go. This is just an empty box, but like this whole pile, I don't even know if you guys can see like quite how big it is. That is a huge pile of clothes. My closet looks honestly not that much different, but it's definitely a little bit more empty. I'm not even sure where to go from here, honestly. I think I'm gonna get a little basket and put all these clothes in the basket because I'm probably gonna try and take it to Play-Doh, see if they give me any money for it, and then if not, I'll take it to like Goodwill or something and just drop it off. I also have like another trash bag from last time I went through my clothes that I need to drop off at Goodwill because Play-Dohs didn't take anything. So I'm gonna try and do that. I'll put them all in a bag and then go through the rest of the clothes like in that part of my closet, and then I'll check back in with you guys after I get that done because that part is super boring. Then we can do the big switcheroo in my closet. This took a little bit of a turn for the worst, which is not what I expected. I was going through my clothes and I was like, oh, I should try some stuff on, see if it fits, whatever. So I was trying a bunch of my clothes on, like especially a lot of my summer clothes, all my shorts and stuff, and I was putting it on and I just realized like I really wasn't happy with how things fit and how things looked. Like nothing looked good. You guys should, this is like crazy how much stuff that I'm getting rid of. And a lot of like the bottoms part is because I just hate the way that it looks. I just felt like I wanted to open like a little bit of an honest and I don't know, open up a little bit about that sort of thing because I feel like it's something I don't ever talk about. But I guess what I'm just thinking is that everybody has their insecurities and I'm like a very happy person. Like for the most part, like I'm always happy. I feel like I'm a very confident person. Like, I don't know, I've always been that way. Or I feel like ever since I got out of high school, I've been that way where I just like am confident in myself and who I am and the way I look. Like I am who I am. Like you should be confident in that, you know? But that doesn't mean that I don't have insecurities, and that doesn't mean that other people have insecurities too. And especially since I feel like I don't know, a lot of you guys are like super sweet and super nice, but I just want to say, like, I have my insecurities too. You know what I mean? I am far from perfect. I have a lot that I want to work on. I have a lot that I'm really actively trying to work on. Like, I really do want to get in better shape. Just working to improve things that you're insecure about if you can, and if not, learning to love them. I don't know if I think I've talked about this before, but I used to always hate my nose. Like, I hated my nose from the profile, and even sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, just like, I don't know. When I smile, my nose looks like really weird sometimes, I think. But like, learning to love those little things about yourself. Like, my dad used to always tell me how cute my nose was, and I was like, I don't know, I just hate it. But I eventually learned to love it, and I've learned to like my nose, and I've learned to like my nose even when it looks funny. Like, I don't know, when I like smile and laugh, it like way goes up on the side, which to me just looks weird, but it's like me, you know, that's who I am. And I've learned to love that little imperfection about myself, that when I smile or laugh really, really hard, my nose looks really weird because it scrunches up. And I've learned to love that about myself, because that's usually when that happens, it's like because I'm really happy or laughing really hard at something, you know? So I've learned to love that little imperfection that I have. So yeah, that's about it for this little rant. I don't even know if this made sense, but I just thought it was important to talk about. I'm gonna get my crap together and get back to cleaning out my closet a little bit. Pretty much have everything out of my closet put away, got rid of all the stuff out of my room now. So I'm gonna do the big switcheroo in my closet and move everything around. I'm gonna probably take these and move those to the back, and then bring my summer clothes more to the front. I don't know, I kind of have to play with it a little bit because I like my summer stuff to be in reach, but I also like do use my cardigans and like some long sleeve stuff like in the spring and stuff, and even sometimes in the summer at nights, so I like to still have that stuff accessible. So montage take 2. Yikes. Alright, you guys, it's quite a while later now. It's like 6 o'clock, and I started this at like 11 something. I went to work and came home, so it's not like I've been working on this the whole time, but I wanted to show you guys the little after. I pretty much just picked everything up. It's pretty much all I did. So this is pretty much what it looks like. It looks so much better. First off, here's all my t-shirts. This is all of my summer dresses. I have so many empty hangers and stuff up here. So here's like little things for shorts. I know these aren't very cute. And then like a million bajillion hangers, because I am going to be doing some new shopping. Like, I got rid of so much stuff. I really don't have that much summer stuff to begin with. And so I want to do like a big spring and summer haul. So I have all my stuff up here, more hangers for when I go shopping. And down here I have like my pants, my shorts, and then some sweaters that can work in the spring and summer if it's chilly out. And then back here is all the stuff that I probably won't touch again until like the fall of next year, or this year, I guess. And then I put all my winter shoes back here, and I have all my cute little sandals out up here. So I would pretty much call that a success. I did really good. My closet looks way more empty now than it did before. Like I said, I will be doing some more shopping, but I wanted to get rid of as much as I could because I knew I was gonna wanna get new stuff for this season. And I just, honestly, I don't have that much spring and summer clothes. I feel like it might look like I do, but I really don't have a ton of stuff. So yeah, it looks much better. I feel much better. Let me show you guys the pile of like new home stuff. This is the big pile of stuff that my mom will look through and see if she wants anything. If not, I'm gonna take it to Plato's Closet, take it to Goodwill, figure out a new home for it. Like, look at that mountain. It is so much clothes that I'm getting rid of. Some of it is just super old, so it'll probably need to get trashed. But for the most part, there's like a good amount of stuff here that I'm gonna be getting rid of. And I seriously feel a million times better now that I got all that done. So I think I'm gonna clean my room and clean my makeup brushes. That's the last two things I wanna do for this little spring cleaning video. Makeup brushes are all clean. Looks so nice. I can't even remember the last time that I cleaned them. They look so good. I literally even cleaned the ones that I don't use all the time. I'm gonna let them dry overnight, but they're all nice and clean. it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me and decluttering with me. It was definitely a different type of video for me, but I really had a lot of fun doing it and I feel so good now that it's all done. Highly recommend going through and doing a little like spring declutter if you guys haven't done that yet. Spring is here and I'm so happy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down below and give this video a thumbs up for me. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link that right here. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.